In this example, we're going to look at exponents including unknown numbers. If we don't know what the number is, we represent that with a letter. So first of all, find the prime factorisation of 50a squared. So 50a squared, if we start off with 50a squared, we can break that down and call that 50 times a squared. A squared isn't in the simplest form. We could actually split that down into a times a, making a squared, and then we can't simplify that any further. Going back to 50, 50 is 2 times 25. 2 is prime, so we can't go any further, and 25 is 5 times 5. So if we want to write down the prime factorisation of 50a squared, it would be 2 times 5 times 5 times a times a. And that is known as the expanded form. So that's the expanded form, this where it's all expanded out. However, if we want to try and write it in a simpler way, then we want to condense it in, and let's just think about what that would look like. So it can be equal to, well, we've got a 2 times 5 times 5 can be written as 5 squared, and a times a can be a squared, and so that's our simplified form. Therefore, if we're asked the question to expand 21a squared b cubed, that means we're going to write it in a kind of longhand. So 21, if we find the prime factorisation of 21, 21 is 3 times 7. So to expand 21, we'd have to call it 3 times 7 times a to the power of 2, or the exponent power of 2 means it's a times itself twice, and then b to the power of 3 means it's b times itself 3 times. So therefore, it's all been expanded out. And in a similar case, if we're now asked to simplify a times 2 times a times 3 times 2, we're now going to have it in a more simplified form. So we can look and see if there are any numbers that can be brought together. 2 times 3 times 2, and in fact we've got 2 2's. So those 2's can be brought together. So we can call it 2 squared times 3, with a little dot, and then we have got a times a, which can be written as a squared. And in fact, maybe we should actually work out what this is as a number. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so 4 times 3 times a squared. 4 times 3 is 12. So the final simplification would be 12 times a squared.